Hi there, I'm Peter Harb from Peter Harb Supreme Leadership. My slogan is lead with your heart and think into results. Management and leadership are not just two different words, they are two different worlds. We can literally manage everything. We can manage resources, we can manage projects, we can manage tasks, we can manage crises, but we have to lead people. All leadership serves people, but you have to love people so that you can lead them. Those who master it can respond on their own needs as well as on the needs of others. And from a higher level of spirit, from a higher level of vision, creativity, and from a stronger bond with those people that they lead. The rapid transformation in our today's world of labor and the global digitization demands a completely new awareness of leadership. The enormous power of unexploited human potential, interculturality, and human skills will be needed more than ever over the next 5, 10, 15 years to come. Now, how do we meet our deep core values? That means a good health, family life, valuable time with our children, our partners, a healthy relationship, a healthy work-life balance, growth, personal growth, trust, inspiration, and tolerance. What if leaders at all levels live up to their full human potential? What if those leaders and decision makers serve others in a role model way so that they can also unfold their full potential? How big would the socio-economic benefit be to all of us? So join me and get a deep insight on this extremely thrilling subject. I am Peter Harb from Peter Harb Supreme Leadership. Thank you.